Welcome back to the channel, guys. Today we're going to be doing the headlights. We're going to be changing out pretty much all the bulbs because I'm tired of these halogens. So unfortunately we're not going to be doing the housing because literally a few days ago I was going to order the ones that I really wanted to put on the truck and they completely sold out. When those get back in stock, we're going to be ordering those, but in the meantime we're going to be using the stock housing still, and we're just going to be replacing some very nice aftermarket LEDs just for now. This is a temporary upgrade. Today we're going to actually be running the Farron LED lighting kit for the F150. It's the H13/9008 size, so if you want to get you some, literally go on Amazon and look up Farron. I'm pretty sure these are going to be looking very nice. And right here we also got some very special LED blinkers. They actually do a lot more than just blinkers, and I'll show you that when we get them installed. But for now, let's go ahead and just crack them open and let's just go ahead and get started. So I'm gonna be setting these right here for when we need them. You got this little weather guard here. Just get a screwdriver, and actually, you know what? Just one. Okay, I need to clean this engine bay. Look how dirty that is. No sir, we're gonna have to take care of that here soon. How much you want to bet it's 10 mil? I guarantee it's 10 mil. Yep, I knew it. Oh, forgot to mention, you got 2 bolts right here holding the top of it, and you got another one. I don't know if you can see, it's right there. So it's 3 total. It doesn't matter which order you do them, just want to loosen all those. Oh, by the way, if you have a EcoBoost F150, comment down below and let me know what you think about yours. I think mine's been running great. I've had this truck for about 2 years now and it's been amazing. Yeah, it's got some high miles, and yes, I've had to fix a few things, but not nearly as much as any other truck that I've driven. Definitely very good, durable, reliable trucks. This one's good to go. After you get that done, like so, you should just be able to pop it out. Careful, like try to give it some force, but also be careful at the same time. Once you get these out, you should have 3 light bulbs you got to get out. This is your blinker, which is the brown one. Take that out. This is your main one. Got to really twist that one. And then your side marker, which mine, I already did a aftermarket LED conversion of it. I literally just put an LED bulb in there. Nothing too fancy. But yeah, there is your stock housing. Let's go ahead and crack open the LED stuff, and I just lost my glove by doing that. Alright, I guess we're going to start with the blinker, because this one I'm actually really excited for, because these actually do something special besides being blinkers. So as I'm getting this out, I'll go ahead and explain to you. Got these blinker bulbs, which I will put in the link down in the description on what these actually are, but these are actually another set of headlights. They're not only orange, but they're also LED white. But when you activate the blinker, they completely shut off and they turn orange and they activate as a blinker. And then they go back when your blinker's done. So I really wanted to give these a shot because they weren't that expensive at all, but I just wanted to give it a shot. If you're replacing them at all, you're gonna wanna take this orange one out and just pull it out like so. Very simple. And you're gonna put the new one in like this. You're just gonna make sure you fit it in there nice and snug. Yeah, there you go. Ooh, yes sir, that looks, yep. All right, so let's go ahead and bust one of these out. I don't know which was left or right. I'm pretty sure this one's gonna be left. So like I said, these are the H13 size bulbs. These are what the F150, the F150s take this size. Just make sure you don't get the wrong one. That would really suck. It looks like these have a battery pack. Oh, nope, I lied. It's not that difficult. Just make sure you press the clamp down and then just take it out. And put your new housing in, and it's should fit. Boom, fits like a glove. Now, let's go ahead and take our stock housing and just twist them in. Basically just repeat the process, but backwards. Let's put our new one in. We'll take our side marker, twist that in as well. And let's get our... So before we put it in 100%, let's make sure everything's working. See, this was what I was talking about. So as you can see, the light bulb, or the blinker bulb, actually serves as an LED light bulb, basically. So when you unlock the truck, of course the blinker blinks. As you can see, it goes right back to lighting up the way it was. That's actually really, really cool compared to this one over here. You got your halogen, you can't even see it. Now, let us turn the headlights on. And let's see if they actually work. And they are on. That looks amazingly way better. And it would look way better if these stock headlights were completely restored, because they are wearing away a little bit. But I don't know if you guys can see the difference, but you can literally, in broad daylight, like it's pretty much noon outside right now here in Dallas. In broad daylight, you can literally see, like, even both bulbs, they're literally the same type of light. Compared to this side, not really good. Doesn't look that great. So as you can see, these really, really make a difference. And basically you just repeat the process, put the screws back in, tighten them up. Make sure you put the flap up. I mean, you don't really have to if you don't want to. You could probably just rip it out. That's probably what I'm gonna do. But you basically just repeat the same process over here. You got 2 screws on top, 1 in the front. Pull it out, repeat the process just on the other side. And that's pretty much gonna conclude today's video. If you guys wanna know what kind of headlights these are Farron's. And I will put the link down in the description below that I got from Amazon. Literally, a cheap Amazon product like this is so much difference. I'll also put the link down in the description for the blinkers. When this video drops, I'll probably be posting a video or a photo on Instagram at a nighttime view of what these look like. I'll probably just do some pictures, and I might do a story video on what the blinkers actually look like at nighttime. So if you haven't already, go follow me on Instagram right now. It's literally at Super7, literally the same as the YouTube name. Just type it in, you'll find me on there. That is literally one of the cheapest upgrades when it comes to headlights you could probably do for an F150. Overall total with both of these products combined, I'm standing at pretty much $75 by just this. Like, we don't even have the new housing coming in. Probably when the new housing comes in, we won't even need these because the housing's already, you know, pre-built and whatnot. But like I said, this is a temporary fix until we can get the new housings in. So that's pretty much it. I don't really have anything else to cover, but we're pretty much just gonna do this side and close it up, and that's pretty much it. Got some other stuff to do today. Got some more stuff to do with the car today as well. I gotta clear the engine light and whatnot. And please to make sure and comment and subscribe if you want more content like this. I'm gonna do my best to push out as much content as I can. Coronavirus really sucks. It's not giving us a lot of content to do. I know that car meets have basically opened back up, even the drag strips, but still it's very unsafe. And I hope you guys just stay safe out there in general. So anyway guys, thank you for watching, and I'll see you guys next time.